Okay, here we are with a 17-piece German forged stainless steel. By McCook.
It is brand new from Christmas.
Here's a picture of the big knife.
Gift.
High carbon German stainless steel with proper thickness for exceptional kitchen performance. Heat tempered for outstanding strength and durability. Bolster properly weighted for balance and control. Ergonomic design stainless steel handle with texture for a comfortable and non-slide grip.
Knife.
Here's a picture of it.
Here's the knife. I think it comes with scissors.
Yeah, it does. And a built-in knife sharpener.
Where's the knife sharpener?
It's built into the wood. There's a picture of what you get. These are steak knives down here. And these are the cooking knives. Scissors. I seen a video where a guy was cutting a pizza with a scissor. Like this.
There's two scissors.
Yep.
Cheers.
And there's the
Okay, time to open it. Hard. Piece of cardboard.
It is.
My favorite.
People.
What is that?
look at that.
Careful.
What is this?
Ooh.
What is this? Bonus.
Oh, that's the color of the wood.
What's in the bonus?
Please.
Mr. Cook. That's mine.
That's a chip right there.
Yeah, maybe that return.
I think so.
So that.
Here's the bonus.
Let's do one thing at a time.
Hurrah! There is.
Look at the size of these scissors are.
Look at
That's
this.
scissor.
The bonus.
It's big scissor, huh?
This is the bonus I got.
Yeah.
Small scissors. That's what I opened.
Here's the bonus. Yep.
Steak knives are like really heavy.
Yep, it's heavy. There is the, what you call this, honey? McCook.
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 McCook. McDonald's.
There is. Look like real
Hey, look.
wood.
Hey, look. Wait. Hey, give me. Why is there so many scissors?
They're not scissors, they're steak knives. Hand wash and dry immediately.
Immediately?
Immediately.
What?
Stainless steel, that, honey.
Yep.
It's good, so that have no rusty. Here is.
This is lighter than the steak knives.
Look.
Yeah, I see.
Here is, guys. He put one now here.
See, it's got a clip. They're like steak knives, they're called, but you can use them for chicken too, and pork. No, this is not a steak knife.
What are they?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
These are the knives.
Got heavy knives here. I don't know where they go. These are too heavy. Don't know where this goes.
Here is all the knives.
Is it these knives?
Oh, it's one of these. There's your knife. Any other knives?
Here's all the knife.
This size doesn't have a place.
Because it's a bonus.
Bonus.
There's this texture for the grip.
Okay, that's it guys. The unboxing. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.